This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
हफ्ते की शुरुआत फिर एक बार हो रही है बधाई हो शो के साथ. थीम दो एटलीस्ट बधाई हो है ऑन गो एमएमटी रेडियो. एंड आई एम कंग्रेचुलेटिंग मनवेंद्र सिंह फ्रॉम द कॉर्पोरेट चैनल डिपार्टमेंट जो कि बेस्ड है मुंबई में. एंड इट्स barely 45 days or so that he's joined MMT. Manvendra, it is so nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
Thank you very much. It is nice to be here.
गुड. कॉर्पोरेट चैनल में बेसिकली आप सेल्स संभालते हो, तो इससे पहले भी आपके जो वर्क एक्सपीरियंसेस जिस किसी कंपनी के साथ थे वहां पर भी आप सेल्स ही करते थे?
Yes, previous two experiences जो मेरे हैं, with one is with Panasonic and the second one is with startup which is FitPO. Both were corporate sales experiences. In the second one, it was more on the business side. I was taking care of the whole business. थोड़ा सा ज्यादा डिटेल हो जाता है वहाँ पे. But again, I got this opportunity and I was really happy that, I got this call from Make My Trip.
अच्छा, MMT is all about travel and it is the leading company when it comes to travel. It's something that everybody loves. Do you also love?
Yes, I love traveling. And, before coming to MMT as well, I've traveled to Jibhi, a place in Himachal. And it is a beautiful place. बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी जगह है. I've traveled multiple locations all across India. It was also a motivation कि यहाँ पे आगे कुछ चीजें हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे रिलेटेड टू ट्रैवल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कुछ शायद डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाए. आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट एज वेल एट द स्टार्ट.
You're listening to Go MMT Radio and I'm your host Annie. Health Carnival हो रहा है 2025 और आपको यही जानना है कि ये सब कुछ आपके लिए कर रहे हैं थ्रू द अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप MMT. अब क्या कर रहा है? अब क्या होने वाला है हेल्थ कैंप में? There will be experts, there will be screenings, there will be wellness tips shared with you. चेकअप तो होगा ही, न्यूट्रिशन और लाइफस्टाइल गाइडेंस भी आपको मिलेगा from the experts themselves. There will be diagnostics, on spot fitness and wellness tips भी आपके साथ शेयर किया जाएगा. ये सब कुछ आप पा सकते हैं थ्रू द अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक इट आउट. गुड़गांव में हो रहा है 16 और 17 तारीख को जुलाई के इसी महीने में. Go ahead and be a part of the Health Carnival 2025. It's time for you to get fitter both mentally and physically. Make the most of it. This is Go MMT Radio. Stay tuned.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hi team, Manoj here from Hotels team and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Hi Go Trippers, Ratish Tripathi from the Hotel team and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Hi team, I'm Utkarsh from Hotel team. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Hi team, this is Rohit Nigam and I'll be joining Hotel Cloud team and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show today with Manvendra Singh from the corporate channel department based out of Mumbai. अब जो है एक क्विज होने जा रहा है. बॉलीवुड क्विज क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए शुरू कर देते हैं. In which movie did Shah Rukh Khan play a double role as twins separated at birth?
Twins separated at birth. Is it Duplicate? Duplicate movie भी थी ना?
Yes, that is correct.
He has a double role in that movie as well.
Yes, that is correct. अच्छा, what was Ranbir Kapoor's character's name in the film Rockstar?
Yes. Janardhan Jakhar.
Oh my God, you did pick it. Wow, yes, it is Janardhan Jakhar या जॉर्डन जैसे उनका नाम बाद में पड़ गया.
जॉर्डन बाद में हो गया था. Yes.
किसने कहा आप बॉलीवुड से वाकिफ नहीं हो और बम्बई में रहकर तो मतलब ये तो बनता है, right?
Agreed.
Okay, which Bollywood movie was India's official entry to the Oscars in 2001? Because
Lagan.
First film. Yeah, yes, absolutely right. Now,
Thank you. I wasn't aware कि मुझे इतना सारा information है about Bollywood.
Who composed the music for the movie Dil Se?
Dil Se, A.R. Rahman.
Yes, that is correct. Now, which film marked the debut of Ayushmann Khurrana?
I remember. Vicky Donor.
Yes, that is correct. Which movie did Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff share screen space for the first time?
Was it War?
Yes, that is right. And the last question, who is known as the king of romance in Bollywood?
Shah Rukh Khan, evergreen Shah Rukh Khan.
बिल्कुल सही. Congratulations, आपने बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया. इनफैक्ट नहीं करते करते आपने तो सारे ही सही जवाब दे दिए. So that's really good, मानवेंद्र. अब बताइए, इमर्शन, इंडक्शन, ये बस हाल फिलहाल में ही आपने खत्म किया है. Tell us about it.
I have a funny incident to share about induction. You know, I've joined the first day. I've got the laptop. जैसे ही मैंने laptop खोला, I've configured my Outlook. First email which I got was, congratulations, it's a boy. I was like कि ये थोड़ा सा और तरीका नहीं है किसी को congratulate करने का. It's a boy. When I opened the email तो वहाँ पे पता चला कि okay ठीक है, वो मेरे लिए नहीं था. So that is one thing which I'll always remember, and I'll share this story with all. And induction, it was a really good process. You know, we have the best thing about this company, you know, as I've told you, that I've worked with Panasonic, then I've worked with a startup altogether. Both are completely stark different companies.
Correct.
MMT, because I have that zeal to, you know, grow as well within the organization. And बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable space में MNCs में कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि वहाँ पे growth का scope थोड़ा सा लोगों को कम लगने लगता है. So I wanted to work in a company जहाँ पे there is a work culture of startup but stability of an MNC. That mix I got from here, जो मुझे लगा कि in last 45-50 days, you know, the same जो मैंने expect किया था, it is same here. You know, work culture आपको it is fast paced, but you'll be appreciated as well when you'll, you know, do good. So ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपके मैनेजर तक ही चीजें दब के रह जाएंगी. So it was a good experience. Process set है, that is also really good. Be it about the induction, be it about the immersion. Immersion was a very beautiful experience. Immersion especially, I was participating and throughout the session, throughout the programs, और मुझे जो भी doubts होते थे, I used to, you know, ask questions to the leaders as well. Immersion was a really good experience for me. You get to know a lot about the people here. Leaders were also there. It was a really altogether a great experience, and you can see your future here in this company.
alive क्या है ये alive जब घर में कोई बीमार हुआ तो वीके टीम ने कहा alive हेल्प पर छाई काली घटा तो बोली हवा alive अल्पर की फार्मेसी से ले लो अपनी दवाई डेंटल चेकअप और आई केयर भी है भाई alive ये alive क्या है ये alive जब कोई हेल्थ केयर करता है तू alive लब बड़ा प्यारा लगता है तो दिल करता है alive हेल्थ का हीरो बनने का है ये टाइम alive एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करो इट्स प्राइम alive ये alive क्या है ये alive सिर्फ वी केयर फन मेंबर्स के लिए yeah
Go MMT Radio.
Hello Go Trippers, our customers are our brand ambassadors, and so here's requesting that each one of us inculcate customer focus as a part of our value system in our day-to-day jobs. Hello, I am Mohit Kabra and you're listening to Go MMT Radio, headset go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset go.
The rapid fire round.
Well, सबसे पहला सवाल. What is 2 plus 2?
13, I guess.
What is the capital of India?
Capital of India is Nepal.
How many days are there in a week?
Too many. Weekdays are good.
Good. What language do people speak in France?
I would love them to speak Hindi.
Okay. What do you do with a book?
बुक से तो भजिया पाव तलते हैं शायद.
This was really good. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया तो बहुत ही बड़े आदमी हैं हमारे, सचिन तेंदुलकर.
Okay. How do you make tea?
P बना दो, Q बना दो, R बना दो, S बना दो, then T बना दो.
Very good. Okay, what happens when it rains?
When it rains, we eat pakoras. बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है.
All right, I'll give it to you on the last question. What do you see in a mirror?
What do we see in the mirror?
जी.
पैसा.
Well done. इसी के साथ wrong answers only खत्म होता है. This is good. It was good try and some really creative answers that you gave, Manvendra. So I think you should keep your creativity going and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.
Here's wishing you all the very best. The dreams that you have come here with, keep those goals clear in mind. Never let go of that ambition.
That is the plan. Thank you very much.
Manvendra Singh from the corporate channel department based out of Mumbai on Badhai Ho. Today with that, yes, I have come to the end of the show. This is your host Annie signing off. This is Go MMT Radio. I will be back the day after tomorrow actually, and someone else, which is one of your colleagues, is going to join me on the show called Main Bhi RJ. Till then, stay motivated and keep those travel plans going. Bye-bye.
Thanks to Rishabh Pant and Sunil Gavaskar, we've had non-stop entertainment both on and off the cricket field. पहले stupid moment हुआ था a few months ago, तो GoIBibo has made use of it in a viral advertisement that broke the internet. अब Gavaskar ने बोला superb when Pant hit the century in England. So GoIBibo has now come up with a jingle that is as hilarious as it is catchy. Have a listen and enjoy.
Stupid. Superb. सब बोले उसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. Stupid. सेंचुरी मारी जब इंग्लैंड में. Superb. उस पे बने हैं मीम्स और रील्स. Stupid. समरसॉल्ट करके आए असली फील. Superb. Don't let your trip be lame. This is not your hotel game. Stupid. Last minute sixer मारना सीखो. Superb. Just go with GoIBibo.
आप सब जानते हैं कि मेक माई ट्रिप की 25th एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशंस चल रही हैं. अब इस सेलिब्रेशन में एक और 25 का नंबर जुड़ गया है. मेक माई ट्रिप हैज पार्टनर्ड विद रेडियो मिर्ची टू सेलिब्रेट कपल्स हु हैव कंप्लीटेड 25 years of marriage. अगर आप या आपके पेरेंट्स की सिल्वर जुबली है, दिस वंस फॉर यू. ट्रैवल सिर्फ डेस्टिनेशन नहीं होता, इट्स एन एडवेंचर इन बॉन्डिंग. शादी के बाद शिमला हनीमून जहां हाथ पकड़ना सीखना, या फ्लाइट कैंसिलेशन की वजह से बजट गड़बड़ा जाना और फिर कम में मैनेज करना सीखना, यही छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज बन जाती है लाइफ टाइम के बॉन्डिंग मोमेंट्स. तो भेजिए अपनी या अपने पेरेंट्स की क्यूट फनी इमोशनल #travel वाली लव स्टोरी एज अ 1-minute वीडियो व्हाट्सएप पर. नंबर है 9930983983. Once again, 9930983983. Also, do mention your employee ID at the very end of your video. Stories cute हो या funny हो, बस इतना याद रखना दिल से हो. Winning stories get holiday vouchers worth ₹25,000 and will be featured on Radio Mirchi as well as Go MMT Radio. हो सकता है आप मेक माई ट्रिप के इंस्टाग्राम पेज पर भी फीचर हो जाए, तो वेट किस बात की. फोन निकालिए, वीडियो बनाइए और व्हाट्सएप कीजिए 9930983983 पर.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, GoIBibo and Redbus.